Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's world. And yes, it is time to get back on the Monday grind. Just grind hard. And again, remember, it'll be over with soon. All right, you all, Matteo Dini is giving me an opportunity again to give away some watch faces. It's going to be in between 3 and 5. Once again, you know what to do. Just subscribe. All right, you all, let's go ahead. Let's kick this review off. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got another awesome watch face to check out. And yes, Matteo Dini is back in the building again. This guy just keeps doing it, and doing it well. Now you all checked out MD 107 and you loved it. Now I'm positive that you're gonna love MD 108. Now this watch face is different from any other watch face that came before it by MD, and it's looking good. It's definitely off the chart, you all. But let's take a look at it. Now in the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's just going to be blackened out a little bit, but it's still going to look great. You're still going to be able to get your time at a glance. And when the watch face is on, you're going to get an analog watch face. But before I go any further, the character that's been put on this watch, and I'm talking about the second hand, if you take a close look at it, the tip of the second hand is lighting up the bezel of the watch. I have not seen that before. That is a nice added touch to a smartwatch face that someone could put on. I'm loving the look of this one. Now at the top, you're going to get a moon phase, full moon, and you're also going to be able to get the days of the week that's going around the bezel of the watch. This is your battery percentage right there. You also get the date. You also get shortcuts as well. You got settings, find my phone, you got music, your temp, and your messages, and it is interactive, so you can just single tap on it and it will take you right into that particular shortcut. You also get your step status over here, floors climb, your steps, your heart rate, things of that nature. I'm telling you, this watch face is looking good. Now, if you look right here on this side of the watch, you also get to see what type of day it is. So now the sun is about to go down. It's about to be nightfall. And when you get nightfall, it's going to hit that top one right there. I'm telling you, very unique watch face that stands out amongst the crowd. 2 thumbs up for Matteo Dini. Now, let's check out the customization of the theme of this watch face. Let's check it out. Double tap, and you can customize the background theme, and they all look nice. He gives you quite a bit to choose from. We're going to cycle through quite a few of them so you can get an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face. And this is worth the download in the Gear Manager store, guys. I'm telling you, Matteo Dini has done it again. I'm loving the look of this watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more, then please subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Grind hard. It will be over with soon. Take care.